everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today we are going to learn how you can draw different flower petals. Look how we are holding the brush, and this way you can draw the petals one after another. Look, it's ready. This is the 5-petal flower, and look, it's done. Second, you can draw the flower like this. So as you can see, we are going to join both of them together. This way you can draw this type of flower petals. So let's draw the flower now on other side. As you can see, we are going to make the flower petals by joining all of them, and look, it's ready. And you can also draw lines at the center. Third, you can draw petal like this. Make the curved lines like we are doing here in this video, and look, it is ready. Look how you can make the leaves as well, and it's done. So try these techniques for drawing. Today we are going to draw this beautiful flower shape. You can merge two different colors. As you can see here in this video, take a very thick brush and then mix two different colors, purple and white together. This way you can get this beautiful shade. As you can see, you can change the color as well. On the other flower, we are using this blue and white shade. Spread the brush like this and continue making the flowers one after another, and look how beautiful this is looking. Repeat the same process for making the leaves as well. You can use different shades of green, as you can see how we are doing here in this video, and at the end you will make this beautiful drawing. In this video, we're going to draw beautiful flowers. Here, we're going to give it a shade at the back side. That is why we are using this navy blue color and draw this cone shape. Let's change the color now. As you can see, we're using this green shade of color and draw a line at the center. Now draw some more lines on the side of the stick. After this, we're going to make the flower petals. You can take a thick brush and dip it inside two different colors. As you can see, we are using this blue and white shade. We are going to make the flowers only. After making the flower petals, we are going to add few more lines. As you can see, we are going to give it a 3D touch. So keep adding more petals. This time we are using more white shade. Continue doing this. After this, we are going to make the sepal and leaves of the flower as well. Now we are going to add some yellow flowers at the center. Draw the leaves as well, and look how beautiful this drawing is looking. So try it at your home as well. Let's draw beautiful flower painting. We are using brush here. As you can see, brush painting is a simple art. You can create beautiful flower designs. By loading a brush with different colors of paint, you can create petals, leaves, and stems with a single stroke. As you can see how we are doing here in this video, the brush bristles make it easy to create natural looking blooming flowers. Look how we are mixing two different colors together, and we are making the flower petals one after another. With gentle movements, you can draw beautiful flowers like these. We are using three different colors to create the flowers. As you can see, the blue, violet, and pink one. You can also add more white lines around the flowers, and look, it's ready. Flower brush painting is a relaxing and enjoyable way to express creativity and create these stunning floral artwork. You can use them as decor piece, and look how beautiful these are looking. Draw the leaves and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.